Okay, so we just got this. This is the head massager. It's Daily Life Head Massager HD101. Relieves stress and easy sleep. Temple Ford massager with comfort airbags. All right, so we gotta open it up. I think it goes like this. It's in here. Here's the massager itself. Let's set that for a second. See what else comes in the thing. Ooh, USB-C to USB-A and instructions. So let's put this down. You may need that. I'll put it over here. May need this to charge it. No block. None of this stuff ever comes with blocks anymore. It does have this bag that it comes in. Get it out of its bag. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Check it out. There it is. Look at that. Oh, Velcro, right? This is your device here. Let's get this off of here. These are things that you'll encounter. Okay, here we go. All right, that's ready to go. Okay. Pretty simple, I think. Look, universal on button, medium, heat, plus and minus. Doesn't really, it's not too complicated. It goes in there, right? Comes over here. So this, I think, you put around your head like this. I think, like that. Okay. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's doing something. Maybe I gotta hold it for 3 seconds. Oh, there we go. Oh, now it's squeezing. It's squeezing my head. I don't know if it's gonna squeeze my glasses. Maybe I should. Look. It says 15. All right, maybe I can make it stronger. All right, I don't think you should have your glasses on when you do this. All right, now we can do it. Now I'm looking through these holes. So let's go ahead. Oh yeah, it's squishing. So these holes right here, I can see through them so you don't feel claustrophobic. Okay? Now if I want to put on some heat, I just hit that. Right? I think I do. So it's definitely squeezing my temples. Let's go up. I'm putting it up higher. See what happens. I don't know if I'm sold on this thing. Let's try it. Let's see what happens if I touch that. Oh, now it's going. Now it's doing this part and back here. So this is different modes. Now it's squeezing the temples here. Now it's releasing. I don't know if you can see it, but it does do it all the way around your head. So I'm not sure if I'm sold on this thing or not. I guess I could make it tighter too back here. Let me show you. Let me see if I can turn around. So I could get this a little bit tighter, like that. And then maybe it'll do it stronger. Yeah, you can see through here, but not very much. It definitely squishes your head good. Let's change the mode. So now I'm on EF. Now it's doing this. Oh yeah, that feels good. It's kind of smushing my nose though pretty hard. Oh wow. Then it's releasing. Now it's squishing the temples. It squeezes the whole head, man. Let's try again. Okay, I think I'm done. It's gonna, let me just say this. This thing, it squeezes all the way around. So to put it, when you get it on your head, You got to get this, nice and tight. And then your eyes are going to go where these holes are, right? And it smushes your whole head, man. I mean, it squishes it. So, it's going to be up to the user. You know what I mean? To charge it, look, they've got a charging port here. So I could just charge it like this, right? And then you can see it goes green. And then I just let it charge. I pull it off, though. This thing's already got a charge on it, right? So that's how you charge it up. That port there, USB-C, right? Just goes in like that. And then you get that green light. So if you have headaches, maybe this will work. I don't know. It definitely smushes your head pretty strongly. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.